Yes. You pulled some tricks out your sleeve last night. Everything I fantasize about. You had me climbing up a wall. How many ways was God called? You represented in the fashion of the truly gifted. You put it down last night. Knocked me out and had me dreaming about waking up.
Good morning. Let's get this skin in order.
This is my super simple morning skincare routine. First starting off with an audiobook, morning motivation, and then we're jumping right in with Cleansing Complex by Is Clinical. This is gentle, deep cleaning magic with chamomile and willow bark extract. So it's perfect for sensitive skin, old skin types, and even acne prone skin. I'm then gonna go into Biologique Recherche's P50 1970. This is the exfoliating queen with lactic acid and niacinamide. I grab mine in the States because Canada needs to get it together. And then I'm going to go in with Zoskin Health Firming Serum. This has peptides in it, antioxidants to lift and tighten. Ideal for anyone chasing firm and glow. Like that's what that does. And then the Youth Eye Cream. I've been using this for 7 years. Hyaluronic acid in it. Has arbutin in it. It's going to knock those dark circles out. Fine lines, wrinkles. It's just... you need this. You definitely need this. Your girl's dry, so I'm using Recovery Cream by Zoskin Health. Finish off strong. I'm going with Neck Perfect fruit acids and botanicals to tighten and smooth the jawline. How was that for a skincare routine?
Never thought you could have it. You